What are different representations of a function? Think about this question during the lesson. A 10,000-gallon swimming pool needs to be emptied. 2,000 gallons have already been pumped out of the pool and into the tanker. You can tell from the diagram that the pump moves 720 gallons of water per hour. How can you determine how long it will take to pump all of the water into the tanker? How can you use what you know about linear equations to solve the problem? One way is to draw a diagram that represents the situation, then write an equation. The top bar represents the total amount of water to be pumped from the pool, 10,000 gallons. The first bottom bar represents the amount of water already pumped, the initial value, or y-intercept, 2,000 gallons. Each additional box represents the amount of water pumped per hour, the constant rate of change, or slope, 720 gallons per hour. We need to determine h, the number of hours needed to pump the remaining water. Which equation does the diagram represent?
Select your answer.
You can now solve this equation to find how long it will take to pump all the water into the tanker. Another way to solve the problem is to use the information given to make a graph. In this graph, the y-axis shows the water pumped in gallons, and the x-axis shows time in hours. Let's plot some data points.
Select your answer.
Your initial value is 2,000 gallons. You know that you can pump 720 gallons each hour. Now draw a line through the data points. The line has a slope of 720. It's a straight line, so it's a linear function. The total water that needs to be pumped is 10,000 gallons. You could extend the line to find the value of x when y is 10,000. Now you know how to represent a linear function using a bar diagram, an equation, and a graph.